Hello friends, I hope you're all doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to deposit funds into your account on WhiteBIT exchange using USDT TRC20. In previous tutorials, you saw that we registered and completed identity verification on this exchange. Now, to fund your account, click on the deposit option in this menu. In the currency section, select USDT and use the address by blockchain method. Now, the method you can use to make a deposit will be shown to you, and we'll use the TRC20 method, which is 0 USDT transaction fees. The destination address will be displayed to you. The minimum deposit amount is 5 USDT, and you'll need 20 network confirmations for this transaction to be approved. Open your wallet app on your mobile phone. Select the desired currency, which is Tether on the Tron network, and click on Send. In the first field, you need to enter the destination address, and in the second field, you select the amount you want to deposit. Or you can simply scan the displayed QR code by clicking on this option and complete the payment process. Click on Next. On the next page, the transaction fee will be shown to you, and after you confirm the transaction and enter your wallet password, the payment will be processed from your side. Now, on this page, by clicking on the Balances option, you can see the added balance in your WhiteBIT exchange wallet. If you want, you can view more details about your transaction in the History section. This was a tutorial on how to fund your account on the WhiteBIT exchange using the TRC20 Tether method. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.